Hey guys, what's up? So today I have a little get ready with me video. My setup is a little crazy today just because we are in the process of moving and I'm wearing a top. I swear I just wanted to wear something a little bit cuter. I bought a lot of stuff lately that's kind of like drugstore cheap and I haven't gotten a chance to really use it. I've used it once. I didn't like the way it came out and it's not like it's bad or anything. I just haven't gotten a chance to like really figure it out. I tried it on in a rush right now. Not right now, but like recently. And my skin's going through a little bit of something because I have eczema. So we're gonna get started right now. I have nothing on my face besides moisturizer. Yeah, it's a clean and clear moisturizer and it's oil free. I really like it. I've always liked that moisturizer, especially because it's oil free. And as I said before, my face is really oily as it is. And I used to not use a primer. I used to just use that as my primer. But now I kind of don't like it because, as I said, my face is oily and this section, especially the T-zone, will get oily, but especially my nose. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to try a primer. And I asked Vivian and she recommended the Neutrogena Shine Control Primer. And I trust Vivian because we have very similar skin. Mine's a little bit more sensitive than hers though. Because I do have eczema and just like in general, my skin is a lot more sensitive than hers. And so we use kind of the same products and so I trust her opinion, and she told me that she uses this one and she really likes it. And oh my god, classic guru hand. So yeah, we're gonna try it today. I tried it the other day. I did not like the way it applied, but I had also just put on moisturizer, like literally had just put on moisturizer. So I was like, maybe I needed to give my time a little bit. Maybe I needed to give my skin a little bit of time to absorb the moisturizer. Can I talk today, please? And it's already been like 10-15 minutes since I put on moisturizer. So yeah, this smells a little bit like bubble gum, and I like Neutrogena myself for like skincare and like acne and stuff because my face is really oily and really sensitive. Oh my god, I don't like that. It feels like there's little particles on it, and that's the thing. I didn't know if it was picking up like the moisturizer, if it was like lifting it and causing it to like turn into like debris. I don't know, like not debris is not the right word, but it feels like it's clumping up. Like it feels like it has like little clumps, and I don't like that. Like I don't like that at all. All right, so I'm gonna let that seep in a little bit. In the meantime, I'm gonna put on concealer. That's also another thing that I used to not do. I used to use a NYX eye primer, but my eyeshadow kept creasing after a while, and I was like, okay ma'am, if you're not gonna work, then what am I putting you on for? But I used to not have a problem with it. It's just now, I guess, like using the James Charles palette. I only have a problem with the James Charles palette, which a lot of people have asked me how I feel about it now. Maybe I put on too much concealer because last time it still creased. But it creased like immediately. I had it on for like 2 minutes and it had creased my eyeshadow like immediately. And that bothered me so much. If you guys have any advice, let me know down below. And then Vivian told me that she would set it with like the lightest shade on the Ulta contour palette, but I'm gonna set it with my Fit Me powder. The reason why I'm doing this video is obviously because I need a video, but it's also because I want to see, like, I'm gonna wear this out today, so I want to see like what it looks like by the end of the day without me like having to go anywhere, because I'd rather have it look shitty when I'm like at home than me be somewhere and have it look shitty. You know what I mean? Like I'd rather test it out right now. So this is kind of like a test run. Then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender, my foundation. This is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. Once again, normal to oily. And yeah, let's take shots, baby. One thing Vivian also suggested, well, she suggested the concealer for like the eyeshadow. She didn't really suggest it for like anywhere else, but I am gonna try concealer under my eyes. I'm gonna put, I was gonna say conditioner, concealer also on like my nose. Like I've seen people do that, like that's also a thing. Then I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me powder, and I'm gonna like literally set my whole face with it. I like to contour my face just because I feel like it gives it a little bit. I don't even contour. I just like to like bronze up my face a little bit. That's like perfect to say, because I feel like it gives it a lot more color, a little bit more dimension. Not even dimension, just like it makes it look better because it's not just like one solid color and it's like a mask. But yeah, so I like the way I look bronzed a little bit. Back with the baking powder. So yeah, I usually bake my face after all that ordeal. So I'm gonna use my Venus 1 and Venus 2 palettes. I'm like, how can I do this? They look like this. Really nice, really pretty. I haven't really gotten a chance to like really use them that much, so I'm gonna use them today. I have an idea, but I'm like, will it work or not? I don't know. Because as I said, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I do my makeup and that's like it. Okay, people. Okay, people. Anywho, let's talk about, oh, I guess, yeah, like boys, I don't know. They do get worse as they age, I guess. I don't know, man. It's crazy. There's this one boy that I kind of like, but I'm like, I don't know how I feel about you. But yeah, boys are whack. Boys are insane. But yeah, some boys, they like to play games. Others will tell you like what the truth tea is from the get-go, and that's good. You can tell what my taste in boys is by the type of music I listen to. Like when I went to the garden, I was checking out boys like left and right, and I was like, wow. There was especially this one guy, and I was just like, wow, like he's hot. Like he was so hot. And he looked like a friend I have, and I was just like, wow, if that was him, like that's him, but if he was like better. And that's like the sad part, but I'm like, okay. But you know what, I always say this, there's a lid for every pot. There's a lid for every single pot. And if you don't think, oh, that's one thing I don't like, this is just me ranting about like love or whatever. It's just like, boys are confusing, and that's what this video is about. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, but I'm gonna do that off camera. And I'm also gonna do my mascara and all that stuff off camera. All right, so I finished doing like my eyes, like everything. And now for highlighter, I'm gonna be going in with Aura by Lime Crayon's Venus. Ah! I almost dropped it. I would have literally, oh my god, I would have literally killed myself. Look at that. Look how cute that is. I go in with a kind of a red lipstick by Avon. It's called Vino Royale. Looks like this. I'm not gonna put a lot. Just enough. And then I'm gonna go in, ew, that looks weird, with my favorite lip gloss. My lips feel crusty, like really crusty. TMI, maybe. This is literally my favorite lipstick ever. This is also by Avon. This is in the shade Mocha Latte. That's that. Then I'm gonna spray it with the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Spray Set. Pro Spray and Set Makeup Extender Setting Spray. There, thumbnail. All right, guys. Yeah, I think this is it for the final look. As you guys can tell, it's not that complicated. Looks really nice. I really like it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and you guys got to hang out with me a little bit, had a little bit of gossip with me. I will catch you guys on the next video. So thanks for watching. Bye.